12 weather with meteorologist Jeff Donovan.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 Midday. Let's start things off with a lookout at Wairika from the Rain Rock Casino. This is incredibly dense fog still holding on in parts of Siskiyou County. You can barely make out some of the landmarks down there with this weather cam, still holding on to this very dense fog like we did see this morning. And if we take a look at current visibilities right now, it does say 2 miles of visibility in the Wairika-Montague area, but as you can see from our weather cam, some places still that fog is a bit more dense than 2 miles. And then even though we have shot up to 10 miles of visibility in Klamath Falls, I still have a hard time believing that too. I believe that we are still looking at some fog concerns in the Klamath Falls area with some of this fog. Now, air quality is also still a bit of a concern. Part of the reason we're seeing this fog, we're stuck underneath what's known as an inversion. That's basically Mother Nature's natural cap from keeping the atmosphere from mixing. And to go along with some of those fog concerns, that traps pollutants towards the ground, and that's why we will continue to track your air quality. Right now, we are looking at moderate air quality through Klamath Falls and Lake County, or Klamath and Lake counties. Earlier today, we did see unhealthy for sensitive groups through parts of Lake County, so a little bit of an improvement. We will continue to track your air quality situation today and going forward. We are under an air stagnation advisory for our west side valleys until 10 a.m. on your Thursday. Also an air stagnation advisory through Klamath and Lake counties until 10 a.m. on Friday, because we are going to continue to see this weather pattern giving us this inversion, and we could continue to see fluctuations in your air quality. Current temperatures right now still mild through our west side valleys as we are in the mid 40s. Still looking at a big time temperature variation through Siskiyou County, and the reason for this is because we are still seeing that dense fog in the Wairika-Montague area, and then east of the Cascades. Now that this fog is finally starting to erode in Klamath Falls, we are finally starting to warm things up there into the low 40s. Along the coast today, expect sunny skies. Temperatures will be topping out all the way in the 60s, in fact mid 60s towards Brookings, with some of these winds coming from the northeast promoting a little bit of a Chetco effect. Siskiyou County, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Expect those clouds to linger a little bit longer in the Wairika area where we are still holding on to some of that dense fog. East of the Cascades, passing clouds and sunshine today with high temperatures rising into those upper 50s. And then as we go to our mountains, as you get into that higher terrain, you get out of some of those clouds. Expect sunny skies through the higher terrain with temperatures in the 50s, and then our west side valleys will see temperatures today topping out in the mid 50s, holding on to mostly cloudy skies. Now overnight tonight, the fog is going to make a return as well as those clouds. Temperatures overnight will be very similar to last night with upper 30s in our west side valleys, mid 30s through Siskiyou County, and then east of the Cascades, temperatures will fall into the 20s. Going forward, we are going to stay dry through at least the first half of the weekend. Some models are starting to hint that as we get towards the start of next week, that could be our next big time chance for precipitation. But until then, it is going to be awfully dry. So for the next 7 days, the coast will be staying dry through at least Saturday, looking at those partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies in Curry County. Siskiyou County, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. I will say that tomorrow, all the way around the region, looks like it is going to be our best opportunity for many of us to break out in the sunshine. And not only break out in the sunshine on your Wednesday, temperatures around the region are going to be quite warm tomorrow too. Even the east side could see temperatures potentially into the upper 50s. Our mountains still going to be looking at some of that sunshine even today, as when you go up into the higher terrain, you can break out of those cloud and fog concerns. Our west side valleys, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy throughout much of the week, staying dry throughout much of the week too. Tomorrow though, potential for temperatures to reach the low 60s.